Chief of Army Staff Gen. Naravane commissioned the last of 4 indigenously built anti-submarine warfare ASW stealth corvettes INS Kavaratti into the Indian Navy in Visakhapatnam on Thursday. Indian Navy in a statement said the ship portrays our growing capability in becoming self-reliant through indigenization. With the induction of Kavaratti into its fold, the Indian Navy's preparedness will be enhanced. Quote, after completing sea trials of all the systems fitted on board, the combat-ready INS Kavaratti was formally commissioned into the Indian Navy by Indian Army Chief General Naravane at Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam. The ship was designed by the Indian Navy's in-house organization, Directorate of Naval Design (DND), and built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and AMP Engineers GRSE, Kolkata. Navy officials said the INS Kavaratti has a state-of-the-art weapons and sensor suite capable of detecting and prosecuting submarines. In addition to its anti-submarine warfare capability, the ship also has a credible self-defense capability and good endurance for long-range deployments. Under Project 28, INS Kavaratti is the last of 4 indigenously built anti-submarine warfare ASW stealth corvettes. The ship has up to 90% indigenous content, and the use of carbon composites for the superstructure is a commendable feat achieved in Indian shipbuilding, the Indian Navy said in a statement. The Navy said the ship's weapons and sensor suite is predominantly indigenous and showcases the nation's growing capability in this niche area. The ship will be commissioned into the Navy as a combat-ready platform as the ship has completed sea trials of all the systems fitted on board. Ships of this class have a displacement of 33,000 tons. As a comparison, a Kalveri-class submarine is 1,565 tons, with a span of 109 meters lengthwise and beam of 13.7 meters. Along with INS Kamorta, INS Kadmit and INS Kiltan will form a major part of the Eastern Fleet of the Indian Navy. The ships built under Project 28 is the best example of Make in India initiative, and in the last ex-Malabar, INS Kiltan had participated. These ships have the capability to fight in nuclear, biological and chemical warfare conditions too. Kavaratti takes her name from erstwhile INS Kavaratti, which was an Arnala-class missile corvette. The older Kavaratti distinguished herself by operating in support of was Bangladesh's liberation in 1971.